What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? What up, Monir? What up, 1010? Thanks for being here, guys.
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
And yeah, happy Friday, for sure. Alright, so today is Friday, March 4th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So today we're doing the show from Raministan. Yeah, once again, Raministan. Big red here. What up, Marvin? Thanks for being here, dude. What's up?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Oh, by the way, 1010, congrats on your SPY. I saw you posted that on Discord not too long ago. So congrats to you, dude. Very happy. All right. So yeah, major red day. Not surprised, are you guys? So looks like another bloodbath here. Although today was actually pretty exciting. There's a bunch to talk about. Too much to talk about, actually. So yeah, nasty day. Hope you guys held up. Everything is red. We'll get to that. But a lot of individual price action on stocks going on here. So, got a great show for you guys today. Sorry, just moving my computer here. So we got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And we have a few articles today. A lot of Russia stuff. Past week, we've been talking about a lot of Russia stuff. So one article about Manchester City soccer team and crypto. One about Coinbase and Russia. One about Kraken and Russia. One about Russian stocks getting delisted. And one about Facebook being blocked from Russia. I'm not sure if Facebook blocked them or Russia blocked Facebook, but yeah, can't use Facebook right now in Russia. And then today for the analysis, we'll be going over MULN. That's still number 1, or maybe even number 2 now, but that's still really high up on StockTwits, so we'll cover that again. That keeps blowing my mind, keeps going down. When you think it's over, it just keeps going down hard every single day, so we'll cover that again. We're going to do INDO. That one came out of nowhere. Yeah, 1010, or I think it was you, 1010. You put CEI, Camber was going up a lot. Yeah, it was, but INDO was really mooning. That was short squeezing for sure. So we'll do INDO, and then OCGN Ocugen. That had some major news, major pullback there, so we'll get to that as well. So honorable mentions, AMC. There was a lot of honorable mentions. AMC, I think SoFi was one of them. So too much to talk about. But I picked, but the TA on those were like not too great. There wasn't much to go off of, so I would have loved to talk about AMC today. That was a major pullback, but we're gonna skip AMC. And yeah, haven't talked about Ocugen in a while, so today should be a pretty good show, guys. Lot to cover, a lot of articles, a lot of TA to get to, and then we'll get to the Yolos. So Yolos were okay today. I picked out the best ones, but not too many to go off of. But there were some pretty good Yolos, so that should be fun. So yeah, guys, should be a great show. Got some great stuff for you today. So let's get started. Red days are almost expected when you almost blow up a nuclear reactor. Yeah, that is true. That was pretty big news. That happened yesterday. I think it's the biggest reactor in Europe, right? If I'm not mistaken, or Ukraine, one of them. Maybe biggest in Ukraine, 4th biggest in Europe. I can't remember, but it's a huge power plant. And yeah, that can't be safe. You know, shooting missiles into a nuclear power plant, and energy-wise, you know, that's going to cut off a lot of civilians from living. So pretty sad stuff, but you know, still a developing story, and Russia's paying the price, which we'll talk about in a little bit here. Getting sanctioned like hell, and yeah, stock exchange suffering. But yeah, let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright, let's do it, guys. Alright. So yeah, I was looking at INDO here. But let's get to the watch list. Okay. So the Dow Jones down 0.53%. NASDAQ down 1.41%. And the S&P 500 down 0.79%. Yeah, ouch. Not good at all. VIX is up 4.92%. That's up 1.5 points. So VIX is at 32 now. Not good. We've been around 30, hovering around 30 for a while, which is not good. I mean, it's better than 40, which we were almost at for a little bit, but, you know, we've been over 20 for a while here. Anything under 20 is good. We've been over 20 for, I guess, ever since the Russia thing started. So not good at all. Still very volatile. Very fearful. So, worst may not be over just yet, sadly. Alright, so let's get to the watch list. So, not much green here at all. Number one gainer here is INDO, which we will discuss today. Second, have to. That was the major runner. Big squeeze there. So, INDO, Indonesia Energy, up 102%. And we will discuss that second. Then we got CEI, another, that also made StockTwits. Oh, yeah, that was another honorable mention, CEI. So, yeah, that made StockTwits, but we're not going to do it. Didn't get that many mentions. And we, you know, covered CEI a lot in the past, and the TA wasn't that great. So, yeah, honorable mention CEI 32%. But yeah, these small cap energy companies are mooning today. I mean, they have been ever since Russia, but yeah, big movement there. Microvision 8.17%. ExxonMobil 3.76%. Oil's booming. Yeah, we got Chewy, Domino's, Walmart. I don't know why those are up so much. Big day for Domino's and Walmart. Lockheed Martin, that makes sense. Defense stock 2.31%. eBay, Dollar General, Walgreens, Pfizer, Gold, Chevron. XCLA is up. Pepsi, Silver, Verizon, Cisco, J&J, Wayfair, IBM. DWIC keeps going up. This is amazing. It's pushing 100 now, and it just doesn't go down. It just keeps having green days. Wonder what's up there. Yeah, Intel, Coke, Target. So actually a few of these values. So yeah, really no well, I guess the memes are at the top. INDO, CEI, Microvision. But other than that, we have a good amount of, not a good amount, but a few value stocks had some pretty good days. Oil stocks, looks like retail as well. Don't know why Walmart did so well, but yeah, so not much up, but a few value stocks up. And the oil stocks, the oil memes. But yeah, not really much to cheer for here. Not much green, a lot of red. Futures went green, 0.5% to down 2.5%, then calmed down, big moves. Anybody holding swings has some cojones. Yeah, the apes. How did wheat do? That was mooning, and I guess it's still mooning. I didn't check on it, but you guys were saying it was, Wall Street Bets was on that, trying to squeeze that up. So, when Wall Street Bets is screaming it's going to squeeze, it's probably time to inverse. Not financial advice. But yeah, commodities have been going up. There's money to be made up and down if you scalp smart. Yeah, a lot of money to be lost too, so be careful there. But, got to gamble smartly. Smarter gambling. Yep, today was crazy for me. I've been green all week until today. Well, I mean, congrats on being green all week. That's better than a lot of other people. But yeah, you can't win them all, and today was really nasty. But, what's new to be expected. All right, onto the red side here. So, OCGN Ocugen. Our favorite C19 meme stock. That's down 23%. And we will discuss that third today. Big news there. ISPO Inspirato 21%. Covered this a couple weeks ago. Taking a while to pull back, but it finally is coming back. What up, Joe? Thanks for being here, dude.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
And Machete, what's up? And Punk Skater, what's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Yeah, so it looks like people starting to come in. Thank you guys. Please smash the like button if you haven't. Yeah, this is going to be a great show. A lot of people in here already, lots to cover. So thank you guys for coming. Wheat got too far for actual futures market. Wheat futures halt limit up. We kept running. Futures halted up again. Wheat kept running. Yeah, we could look at it real quick, but I remember on Wall Street Bets, like 2 days ago, someone made like 400K on wheat, and it just kept going up. This is crazy. Super oversold. Well, I mean overvalued. Well, not anymore, but it was. It's at 77 RSI, but yeah, this probably has a lot to do with Russia, Ukraine, because they export a lot of wheat, both of them. I think Ukraine's like the third largest exporter. It's a very big exporter, and Russia is too. So no one's getting wheat from them, so, got to buy it from somewhere else. That's why this is mooning, or a big reason why, at least. But yeah, this is pretty nuts. You usually don't see futures moon like this, commodities. But yeah, if Wall Street Bet says it's going up, it's going to squeeze, then you should probably inverse. Might have topped out here, maybe not. BCEL going parabolic. Is that a battery company? That sounds familiar. I'm not too familiar with this one. It does look familiar though. BCEL. Wow. This is going parabolic. 211% today, and in the aftermarket, it just keeps on going. Look at that. That is pretty insane. So I wonder why this wasn't trending. I guess it's just, it's super low float, 600,000 average shares, so not hard to squeeze. But you would think this would be trending, the price action this is having here. I'm a hero for wheat and a clown for BTU. Well, you can't win them all. But congrats on wheat, Joe. Yeah, I think you said 30%, so big tendies there.
Winning.
And BTU, don't know what happened there. I guess we'll check it out here. But sure. Cloud on BTU. Wheat futures went up again. Wheat gapped up, but holding company is moving holdings to around to align futures holding. Do you think wheat will keep running? Wow. Why isn't wheat on why isn't wheat on StockTwits? Everyone's talking about it. So do I think it'll keep running? I mean, it's possible. Like I said, especially because of the whole conflict over there. But this is getting a bit ridiculous, you know. This is, commodities aren't really supposed to trade like this. Volume is going nuts here. Just can't keep up forever. RSI's at 77, so it's overbought, overvalued right now. So yeah, it's possible, but it's going to have to come back at some point, and that's not going to end well. So personally, I'd probably look to take profit soon and not FOMO. Little too late for me. Too late for my liking, but it is very possible given the whole situation there. Wheat still above wheat futures pricing. Wheat ETF still doesn't reflect futures market, what it's intended to do. So does that mean it's overvalued? I think you're saying it's overvalued. Or is it undervalued? But yeah, this is not trading according to, like, I mean, there's no fundamentals, but this is just pretty insane. Commodity trading like this. I was scrolling Wall Street Bets last night, and the first 15 posts had 3 posts about wheat. Wheat short squeeze. Maybe. Yeah, yeah, Wall Street Bets, like I said, the other day we did a YOLO, and some guy made like 400K on wheat from like 100K. That was pretty impressive, but that was the only guy, so he got in real early. And, not sure what the big deal is now. Kind of weird, you know, you kind of seems like the moderators are shilling it, and I don't know. For some reason, some things make it and some don't, but yeah, I guess wheat is real popular in Wall Street Bets right now. So you know what that means? Inverse. Sell, inverse, short. Not financial advice. You can't tell where wheat is going for the next couple of days. Reality of wheat prices hasn't changed, but the stock price of wheat has been pumped by retail. ETF owner is trying to get prices. Yeah, we're going to have to keep an eye on that. This is just pretty nuts right now. But, yeah, like I said, I probably wouldn't go for it. Looks too late, but you never know. High risk, high reward, I guess. I actually got out of wheat as soon as I heard Wall Street Bets was pumping it. So it sounds like a profit, Machete. So congrats to you. Not sure where you sold, if you could have made a lot more or what, but yeah, you know, green is green, green is good. So congrats to you, dude. Said I didn't get a full fill. Damn, that sucks, dude. But yeah, that happens sometimes. That's why I think, not sure what brokerage you use, but usually IBKR is pretty good with that. They give you full fills and they have shares and stuff. But hey, can't complain too much if you're up. By the way, took your advice on SoFi, bought 12.5 put, made 70%. Thanks, dude. All right, congrats to you. Yeah, looks like a lot of people in this community making money, rainbow bearing. So really happy for you guys. %. Wow, yeah, dude. That's really good. So congrats to you. Yeah, SoFi is really going down. That's an honorable mention. We're not going to do SoFi because there are not too many mentions on it. But yeah, I remember this had earnings, and it pumped up to like, what, 13? And I said it's probably coming back down to 12, and now it's at 10. So, wow, three big red candles here. That's really nasty. Looks like a double top tier. And now it might double bottom. It might come back down to 808 or 880 for all we know. Looks like a double top, possible double bottom. So yeah, congrats to you, dude. Got in late, got out early, such as life, lol. Alright, that kind of sucks, dude, but it sounds like you're still in the green. Maybe not, but, I can't complain about green and being green. And if you are in the red, it doesn't sound that bad. But yeah, such is life, for sure. Alright, let's get back to the watch list, guys. Please smash the like button. Double top and double bottom. Yeah, I mean, that's what it is. It's not a double bottom yet, but this is clearly double top right here. One top, bottom, two top, and now it looks like it wants to double bottom here. So this has the potential to go back down to 880 to form a double bottom. Did you sell yet, Punk Skater, or are you still in there? But yeah, a lot of people in this community making some fat tendies, going Rainbow Bear. So, Team Rainbow Bear. You saying Soul Thursday? All right, good stuff, dude. Damn, you could have held on today and made a lot more. But hey, can't complain, right? 70%, can't complain. Who would have known? Who would have known? 3 straight days ago. You saying that reassured I'm a terrible bull because I'm bullish on SoFi, lol? I mean, to be honest, I do think it's a pretty legit company. It's a meme stock. I don't know how, but everything's a meme stock now. But, SoFi Stadium. It's a pretty legit company, and they got SoFi Stadium, and the Rams just won the Super Bowl, so yeah, I don't know. Some things just don't make sense, but yep. I found it hard to be a bull. Actually making money day trading, being a bull. Being a Rainbow Bear is where it's at, but yeah, I know the feeling, dude. Check out Seed. Is that the MJ stock? I used to short this all the time. I think this is it. Seed. I think this is the reefer stock. Commodity play. Maybe it's just agricultural. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure I shorted this a lot a couple months ago. Made some decent money here, but yeah, this is going up a lot too. Low float. But it's been pumping here, but looks kind of bearish now. Overvalued, overbought. 73 RSI gap up. 4.7, 470. Cup and handle forming here, so it looks pretty bearish. A lot of bearish stuff going on here. So this is a no FOMO for me, and I think it's going down. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Yeah, I love SoFi, and one day I'll start selling puts on it. Yeah, where's the bottom, though? It's going to keep going down. You never know with these meme stocks. I did grab a bullish position, fertilizer play, SMG, Scott's Lawn. I've seen commercials about that. I don't know how that company does overall, though, but I mean, it's like a yearly low, so it can't go too wrong. But all right, dude. Is this some good fertilizer? Do you use it? Is that why you like the company? I really don't know much about it. Can you check out KR? Sure. Damn, no options. Wanted to snag a put on it Monday. You could short it, but it's low float, so be careful. Wow. Kroger. Yeah, I saw some news come out on Kroger. They had some partnership. Where's Low Roller when you need him? He's always talking about Kroger. He hasn't been here for like 3 days. Yeah, so we got a bunch of price upgrades. They have earnings? Alright, so they had earnings. I guess they had good earnings and a bunch of price upgrades. Wow, this went up a lot. You know, value stock is not supposed to go up like this, but yeah, yearly high. Looks like a double gap up. Yep, double gap up, yearly high. RSI is at 83, so very overbought here, but the institutions are in here now, so it may not come back down. Well, it should pull back a little bit, but I'm not sure it's going to come back to fill these gaps because now institutional money is in here. But yeah, this is pretty big for Kroger. Fat value there. Bought the 140, sold the 150, June 16th expiry. For SMG. Are they debit spreads? You said you're bullish. All right, good luck, dude. Yeah, I don't know much about it. I must be smoking fertilizer. All right, good luck, dude. Yeah, I don't know much about it, but hope that works out for you. All right, should have took your advice and bought Square puts. Would have printed some nice tendies. Yeah, Square has gone down a lot too. I mean, I think it still has a lot to go down here to 95, but maybe a little bit too late now. But yeah, I used to have Square. I sold at like 150, went to 300. I was pretty upset, and now it's right back down here, so not too upset anymore. All right, back to the watch list, guys. So yeah, a lot of people in here, a lot of people chatting. Please smash like button if you haven't yet. Thank you guys for being here.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Thoughts on the 50-day? Crossing the 200. Exponential moving average on QQQ. Well, I don't have the moving average here, but I have the MACD down here though. So that sounds bullish. 50-day crossing the 200. And it does look like, you know, this should come back. It's cup and handling here. Major pullback, so that would make sense. That would make sense. So according to the 50-day moving average, it's starting to look bullish, starting to look like a buy here. Not financial advice, but I don't actually see the moving averages. But down here on the MACD, you can't see it because of my head, but it's actually off the screen too. But down here at the MACD, it actually looks bearish. The MACD is crossing the yellow line here. So yeah, so mixed signals. MACD saying it's starting to look bearish, but you're saying the 50-day is bullish. And that would make sense being bullish looking at the chart here, but the worst may not be over yet. So it's definitely not a bad buy here, I don't think, at this current price. And this is like for a long-term hold. You know, it's a pretty good price, but I'm not convinced just yet that it's over. Getting some mixed signals here. I'm a little bullish on Square. Well, if Joe thinks if Joe says bullish, probably inverse. No, I'm kidding, dude. Seriously, Punk making tendies on everything I'm bullish on. That could be a meme for the community. Inverse Joe. Yeah, I know the feeling though. being bullish just doesn't really work too often. Especially on these meme stocks. Appreciate that, Punk Skater. You know, try to help you guys out with some solid TA here.
I appreciate you.
All right, let's get back to the watch list here. Not going to spend too much time on this because everything is red, but yeah, Ocugen, MULN, which we'll talk about first today, down 12%. DoorDash getting wrecked. Novavax getting wrecked. Affirm getting wrecked. Damn. Zach said it was going down, and I was like, oh no, it went down so much already, and it just keeps going down. I appreciate that, Machete. Take a look at it later. This market is too weak and uncertain to be bullish, at least short term. Yeah, for sure. If you're gonna go bullish now, be prepared to buy and hold long term. You know, this is pretty hard to day trade being bullish. Everything's just a pump and dump, straight up. If on the bullish side, yeah, Affirm, AMC 8.25%. So audible mention AMC, major price action there. Not going to discuss it because the TA is kind of whack, but yeah, big day for AMC on the red side. So it looks like EVs going down, all EVs, especially the memes. Nikola, PHUN's going down. Marathon. So yeah, crypto got wrecked today. Damn, Under Armour, what happened there? 7.23%. Snapchat, ouch, 7.21%. Bumble keeps getting wrecked. Looks like Travel doing pretty terrible. Travel's just a meme stock though at this point. They're all meme stocks. All the airlines, all the cruises. American Airlines down 7%. That's not supposed to happen. MMAT 7%. Wonder what the MMAT StockTwits is like. Because I said in Discord earlier, I'm like, I was on StockTwits on MULN, and I'm like, these guys are just delusional. It just keeps going down like 10% every day, and they're like, hold, buy, hodl, it's gonna squeeze. I'm like, nah, bruh. So, it's kind of the same thing with MMAT, seems like. I just don't know when to quit. Yeah, Beyond Meat, Coinbase down 7%. Coinbase has been getting wrecked. Clover, 7%. Square, 7%. Ouch. Just talked about Square. QQQ looks bearish to you. Alright, yeah, I'll check it out later. But yeah, on the oh, I think I misunderstood. Maybe I misunderstood. Punk Skater. I'm not sure if it crossed like up on the upside or the downside. I thought you were saying upside. I may have misunderstood there. But according to the MACD, it does look bearish. So I'll take a look at that QQQ chart later. Machete. Thoughts on ATER? I know it's a meme stock that we used to cover, so maybe a bit biased, but let me just run on the watch list here. Finish with the watch list, and we'll get to that. Where was I? Yeah, Riot. That's down 6.57%. You know, crypto going down. Roblox. So I got this meme for you guys later. Don't want to give it away. Well, I guess I am going to give it away, but apparently Roblox dollars. I don't know what their currency is in Roblox. Roblox dollars. Roblox or something. Apparently that's worth more than the Russian ruble now. Pretty sad. So RIP from the ruble for the ruble. Yeah. That's pretty bad. So even Roblox currency is worth more than the ruble now. Dogecoin is worth like 1 ruble is like 13 Dogecoin, and I don't know how much it is in Robux. I don't know what it's called. But yeah, a kid's game, their currency is worth more than the ruble right now. You know what the Russians should do? You guys know the game RuneScape? You guys probably know about it. I used to play it a lot. Apparently in Venezuela, like, a lot of people are just gold farmers for RuneScape. You know, they just farm NPCs and stuff and collect the RuneScape gold, and they sell it, and that's their job, because the RuneScape gold is worth more than whatever currency they got there. And, you know, you do pretty well selling RuneScape gold, so maybe a Russian should start farming RuneScape gold. Just a suggestion. And sell it for, you know, dollars. Or start playing Roblox. Play some sort of video game. Yeah, SoFi, 6.3%. Neo down. Yeah, all EVs down. Damn. Chinese EVs been getting wrecked lately, though. Discovery, ouch. Everything's down a lot today. This is pretty bad. This is like worse than the indexes would suggest. Yeah, I'm just gonna run down here. Match, Uber, Airbnb, GME, Carnival Cruise, Canopy Growth, Delta Airlines, GM, like stuff that is not supposed to go down like this is just falling off a cliff. This is disgusting. I mean, at this point, car makers, you know, car manufacturers, Ford, GM, Toyota, they're kind of meme stocks at this point. Honda, everything's just a meme stock. The whole market's a meme stock. Xpeng, Etsy, Baidu, yeah, that's another one. Virgin Galactic, Roku, Wells Fargo, 5%. Yeah, the banks are becoming meme stocks now. This is ridiculous. Uber and Lyft are meme stocks, but they trade like them. MicroStrategy. That's a crypto stock there. Meme index down 4.28%. Yeah, Ford down 4.26%. Peloton keeps going down 4.20, 4.2. Nice. MGM, IBKR, JetBlue, Ally Bank. Everything is just BitConnect today. Paramount, American Express, Discovery. Yeah, all the financials are like straight up meme stocks now. This is ridiculous. Marriott, BlackBerry, Robinhood, Best Buy. That's pulling back. Best Buy did good yesterday. Bank of America, Moderna, Wish, Spotify, everything. Palantir, Visa, Disney. Look at this. The value stocks are getting wrecked. Yeah, Disney, Tilray, Nvidia, Centro. That's going to reverse split again. AMD, Hilton, Toyota, MasterCard, Pinterest, Honda, JP Morgan, BP, Lee Auto, everything. Sundial, Microsoft, Nike, Apple, Schwab, Netflix, Starbucks, Google, Morgan Stanley, everything. Amazon, Facebook, PayPal. Alibaba hit 100. Wow. Chipotle, DraftKings, Salesforce, T-Mobile, yep, everything. McDonald's, Twitter. So, yeah, in summary, not good, not good. So, not much in the green, and everything in the red. Memes getting wrecked, value getting wrecked, everyone just getting wrecked here today. Not good. I use what I learned from watching Ty for months along with kind of a trading buddy I met online. Yeah, I remember, Joe. I remember, I think you found the channel because of Wall Street Bets. Pretty ironic, right? Don't even talk about it much anymore. Yeah, I appreciate you guys, though. You know, it's glad to hear that you guys benefit from, you know, and I try to educate you guys first, entertain second. So, you know, I'm glad you guys are finding value in here. Yeah, I appreciate you guys as well. You know, being here every day, being loyal.
I appreciate you. Buy your mama.
Oh, wrong one.
You loyal.
What up, Gaurav?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
CEI set up to squeeze even more Monday. Oh, Gaurav, by the way, you probably shouldn't buy MLUN in the 80s. I don't know if you did yet, but I think it's going back to 60, 62. Okay, so yeah, it's possible, but I don't really think so. I'm not convinced. Very possible. You know, it still has a lot more upside to go, but in the aftermarket here, it doesn't look like it's doing much. So it's not like the shorts are panicking and like, you know, cover buying here, or yeah, covering here, panic covering here. So it's possible, but I'll just say, you know, don't count on it. But I guess there's no downside to really buying in here, and maybe if it happens, it happens. But I don't expect it to be honest. It's actually going down in the aftermarket now, so. You know, usually the aftermarket trading is a good indication of if something is going to keep squeezing or what. But there's no significant price action going on here. Imagine inverse Kramer ETF. Yeah, that needs to happen. There's an inverse Kathy Wood ETF. Why not inverse Kramer? Someone needs to make it happen. There's a meme index. There should be a Jim Cramer ETF. They have him on Twitter. Yeah, I think Machete posted something about inverse Kramer ETF on Discord. Punk Skater, are you in our Discord? I don't think you are. But if you're not, you know, join our Discord, dude. I'll link in the description. And you too, Grov. Join up in the Discord. You know, talk anytime, not just on the show. Hell, I might even be coming up on the year mark here. Yeah, it's almost been a year since the show started. Wow, time flies, huh? So yeah, you a real one, Joe. I did find this from running with Wall Street Bets, but I found Wall Street Bets when it was still good. Yeah, it's just trash now. Found you as soon as it started going downhill. Yeah, we're kind of getting away from Wall Street Bets now. But, you know, we still got the jokes from it. Nope, held off on MULN. Alright, good, dude. Because I was like, because you said you were going to buy in at like 80, and it went to 80 today, and I'm like, you know, I think I got to keep going. I was thinking about you. I was like, if Gaurav comes on the show, I'm going to tell him, hold off to 60 now. Not financial advice, but I think it's going lower. IMPP blew the F up today. Yeah, all the oil stuff, the small cap oil stuff. I think this one made StockTwits as well. But the big one was by far INDO. But yeah, all these oil, these small cap oil stocks are blowing up right now. You know, so a lot has to do with the whole Russia thing going on. I was actually surprised this didn't get more mentions. I think this made number 10 on StockTwits. This is still going up. Wow, this is squeezing. Okay. See, like, CEI, aftermarket action is nothing, but this is actually squeezing here. So this one might squeeze on Monday. Keep squeezing. Wow. Alright, guys. Let's get to crypto. And please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Should also check on StockTwits to see if anything changed. Actually, CEI is getting a lot of attention right now. And so is IMPP. Yeah, these energy stocks are going nuts. Interesting. Plus, there's a lot of gaps here. This chart is pretty crazy. One gap, two gap. So this is gonna be a triple gap up. That's pretty insane. This might come back down to 50 cents. But for now it's pretty insane. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, the small cap oil stuff is going nuts right now. Alright, crypto. Wow, this is bad. Gotta run catch on the replay. Alright, peace, Machete. Thanks for being here. Have a good weekend. Alright, so crypto's down 5.3% today. Not good. Terrible day for crypto. All around terrible day. Stock market really bad. Crypto really bad as well. Let's check it out. Shiba Doge down 9%. That's been trending past few days. That's down 9%. Secured SHIB 37%. Don't know what that is, but that's pretty bad. Baby Floki Billionaire. This has been around for a while. That's up a little bit. And then we got Arms Legends. Don't know what that is. Up 700%. Bitmic. Okay. And Neko Coin. The hell is this? Is that a cat or a dog? Or is that a hamster? Alright, looks like a cat. I don't know. It's a meme coin. Then there's Heal the World. Heal the World? Is that like Save the Kids? Looks like a rug pull waiting to happen. It really sounds like Save the Kids. You know, the one that got rugged from the FaZe Clan. And then Bro Token. Alright, this is forget all that. This is too much. Seems like a lot of rug pulls waiting to happen. Alright, let's see crypto here. So, Bitcoin down about 6%, below 40K. Ouch. Ether down 6.4%, pushing 2,600. Binance about 5% down. XRP 4%, Terra 4%, so a lot of 6%. Cardano 5%, 5.4%. Yeah, Polkadot down, Doge down, SHIB down, everything down. Cosmos, Litecoin, and everything's down a lot too. Chainlink 7%. Yeah, FTX. Don't see much green here. Just a whole bunch of red. Waves is up. Wow, that keeps on going. That's interesting. Let's sort this out. But yeah, not much in the green here. I didn't see much green at all. Probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 coins in the green. So like 90% of the coins in the red here today. Not great. Biggest gainer is Anchor Protocol. That just keeps on going. This was number 100 like in the beginning of the week. Up another 18.5%. That's at 55 now. Then major drop off. Then Cello, Thorchain. That's been going up a lot too. Up 52% for the week. And Waves, that keeps going up as well. That's up another 2.35%. Up 81% for the week. But yeah, all growth coins here. No value coins. So not much keeping the crypto market up today. And on the red side, whole bunch of red. Price action wasn't that bad. Worst loser is Covex Finance, 15%. Then Maker, 11%. Everything after that is below 10%. Phantom, Arweave, VeChain. Litecoin's the biggest value loser. And then FTX, almost 8% there. And then Cosmos. But yeah, and then Ether. But yeah, so not much in the green. Only growth coins and a good mix of growth and value coins in the red here. So, price action wasn't like super crazy, but yeah, it's a pretty bad day for crypto. 5% down. Ouch. Ouch. But I guess we did have a, decent run here past few days, so seems like a pullback was due, but this is pretty big pullback. Oh well. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Disgusting day all around. Bad crypto day, bad stock market day, major guh. So it sounds like you guys actually did pretty decently. The majority of you guys being Rainbow Bears, so proud of you guys. There's opportunities everywhere. So, hope you guys are holding up. Sounds like you guys are actually holding up pretty well. But not everyone, but yeah. So hope you guys who lost money are holding up, and congrats to everyone who successfully Rainbow Beared. All right, let's get on to the news. How many people still here? I think. Oh, who said so the 6 people, 7 likes. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't. Someone wanted ATER. Who wanted ATER? I totally forgot about that. Oh, it was Machete. Oh, he already left. Yeah, that sucks. My bad, Machete. CEI ripping after hours? Really? This oil stuff is going nuts. And IMPP still mooning here. Yeah, CEI is, I mean, it's not like super squeezing, but it is starting to go up here. I think it's just momentum from the other stocks. What about INDO? How's that doing? I think INDO's over. This one's not doing much here. So it looks like Ape's moving on from INDO, going to IMPP now, it seems like. And a few of them going to CEI. So yeah, maybe CEI is going to squeeze Monday, Gaurav, if you're still here. It's starting to get some aftermarket action here. Very possible. Wow. Go keep an eye on this stuff. Yeah, lots to cover today. May have to do some bonus content later on to cover those stocks. It's like it's like MULN made the show the first 2 days, Monday, Tuesday of the week, and then it just kind of was pretty boring from there. Nothing to talk about, and today there's like too much to talk about. All right, let me pull up the news here. It's moved 10% in 30 minutes. Big move, whatever you like to call it. Yeah, and Gaurav just asked about it. And I was like, no, I don't think it's going to squeeze. It doesn't look like it. And then now it's going up. So maybe it will squeeze on Monday. We'll see. We'll have to keep watching the aftermarket action. All right, guys. So, got 5 articles here today. One about the Manchester City soccer team. One about Coinbase and Russia. One about Kraken and Russia. One about Russian stocks getting delisted. And one about Russia and Facebook. So a lot of Russia stuff. So let's do it here. English Premier League club Manchester City signs OKX as crypto partner. So I don't really watch soccer like that, or football, right? We're the ignorant ones here in America. Not a big soccer fan, but I know Man City is pretty good team. I think they're one of the better teams, one of the more liked franchises. So I guess this is some pretty big news. OKX is their partner now. Not sure what they're going to do with the crypto, if they're just going to advertise in the stadium, or you can use OKX there, or what. But or maybe they'll build a metaverse. They'll use OKX to build a metaverse stadium. Some other team did that the other day. So I'm not really sure what that's going to entail here. Doesn't really say much about how they're going to incorporate, but OKX, but maybe they'll just rename the stadium. I don't know. I don't know what they're gonna do with this, but they signed the partnership, so that's pretty big. Like I said, I think Man City is one of the bigger franchises in soccer. So bullish for crypto, bullish for OKX. Kind of reminds me of crypto.com and the Lakers and the Clippers. So yeah, we see more and more crypto and sports making partnerships. So big one here. Full disclosure, up 25% equal $40 for me. I mean, hey, that's better. That's still money, dude. You can go get yourself a nice dinner with that. All right, Coinbase CEO will comply with Russia ban if U.S. government tells us to. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has said the exchange will comply with a ban on Russian users should the U.S. government impose such rules. All right, so not surprising. So they haven't banned Russian accounts yet, but I think a bunch of European countries were asking Binance to ban Russian accounts, and Binance said no, because that's pretty messed up. You can't ban everyone from Russia from Binance. But, you know, Coinbase is the institutional exchange in the U.S. at least. You know, the government does, they're in bed with the government. So, not surprising. So if the government says ban Russia, they're going to do it. And I could definitely see that happening. And then we got an article here from Kraken. Kraken crypto exchange won't shut down Russian accounts unless legally required, CEO says. Kraken is one of a handful of crypto exchanges avoiding an outright ban of Russian accounts. Jesse Powell, is he Jay Powell's cousin or something? Kraken's co-founder and CEO says the exchange is within the legal sanctions requirements, but indiscriminate bans are unfair to average Russians who might not support the country's invasion of Ukraine. It's a pretty extreme measure, and it's far beyond turning off someone's access to their music streaming service or their photo sharing app, the CEO says. Shutting off someone's financial access is something we take very seriously. So yeah, like I just said, most exchanges don't want to do this, don't want to shut down, want to ban all Russians. I think that's pretty messed up as well. You can't just ban everyday people from trading crypto, especially because the currency is not worth much either. So that's gonna hurt them a lot. So yeah, most exchanges don't want to do this unless they get subpoenaed, I guess. But Coinbase, you know, they're in bed with the government, so they're like, if they tell us to do so, we'll do so. All right. No, I don't want CNBC Pro. S&P Dow Jones is removing Russia stocks from indexes, stripping country of emerging market status. Uh-oh. So I don't know if the ETFs are getting removed. I don't think those are, but yeah, a bunch of Russian ADRs, which are American Depository Receipts, are going to get delisted. So now Russia is no longer an emerging market, it's a standalone group. Oh, they did halt ETFs. It says they halted 3 Russian ETFs, FLRU, ERUS, and RUSL. All right, so yeah, ETFs are getting halted, and regular stocks too. So, yep, Russia economy going BitConnect here. Did the stock exchange open in Moscow today? I know they were closed like the first 4 days. Probably closed today as well, but yep, that's gonna have to open at some point. That's not gonna go well. But I'm not sure if the stock exchange was open today or not. If someone knows, let me know. Let us know. All right, last one. Russia blocks access to Facebook. Russia's media regulator said Friday it will block access to Meta-owned Facebook in the country as it escalates pressure on media outlets and tech platforms amid its invasion of Ukraine. Last week, the agency placed partial restrictions on Facebook for the alleged violation of federal law. Facebook previously said it refused to comply with Russia's request to stop labeling or fact-checking state-affiliated media. Yeah, so I already thought this happened. Apparently not. Maybe it was just misinformation, but I thought earlier in the week, I thought Russia already blocked Facebook. So, or maybe Facebook. Yeah, I don't know. I thought this already happened, but I guess apparently it's officially blocked now. It's like the Chinese. They're going full Chinese mode. Trying to control information and stuff. So not surprising here. But yeah, Russia's all over the place. What up, Busy?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. CEI is back. Can we get a chart look? Yeah, sure, dude. Only if you smash the like button. And yeah, everyone else, if you haven't hit the like button yet, please smash the like button. Alright, so let's get on to some TA here. So yeah, CEI was an honorable mention. I mean, actually on StockTwits it is, I'm checking StockTwits again. CEI is getting a lot of mentions now. A lot of mentions. So is IMP. I may have to do bonus content later on after the show, because I wasn't going to talk about CEI and IMPP. But they are getting a good amount of talk now. I was thinking about doing CEI, but the chart looked kind of so I decided to avoid it. But so we'll look at it briefly here, and I may make some bonus content after the show if this holds up in the aftermarket here, because this is some big movement. Smash, appreciate that, dude. Oh, by the way, Busybone, on Discord, are you no pain, no gains? I never knew who that was. I think it's you, but yeah, please confirm. Alright, so, is it back? Well, I'm not convinced about CEI, to be honest. Oh, you are? Alright, dude. Yeah, I never knew who it was, so, good to know. But yeah, it topped out here at 80 cents. Am I banned now? Yeah, dude. No. No, I just never knew who it was. But yeah, here I'm not convinced because it's back to 80 cents. We'll have to watch the aftermarket action. So it definitely was, like squeezing today. Like gamma squeezing. But the high today was 80 cents. It's pulling back here to 80. So I mean, it might be back in terms of it bottomed out, but is it going to squeeze on Monday? I don't think so. I may be wrong. We have to watch the, aftermarket action here. But, usually in the post market is when the emergency covering happens, and it doesn't really look like any emergency covering is happening here. Just some wild trading. So I would say, is it back? It might be in terms of like it bottomed out and it's only up from here, but I don't expect this to, to go mooning on Monday or anything. But this one, IMPP, this one is squeezing aftermarket. So this one may have a run on Monday. And then INDO, this one's actually pulling back. I think this one's done. So, yeah, to answer your question, is it back? I think it may have bottomed out, yes. Is it going to squeeze? I don't think so. I think today already did. All right, guys. So, what up, Zach?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Please smash the like button, guys. WTF is happening to Bitcoin. That's what. Alright, guys, so today we're going to do MULN, INDO, and Ocugen. And honestly, after the show, I'm probably going to have to do more content on CEI and IMPP. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that much TA on the show here. Not going to bore you guys. So we'll stick with the original plan, MULN, INDO, Ocugen. And we'll keep an eye on these on CEI and IMPP. Okay. Let's do it. Wonder where low roller is. Usually, it's been gone for 3 days. Okay. So here is MULN, Mullen Automotive. This finishes at 79 cents today. That is down 11.83%.
And it's gone.
Can someone explain Ocugen to me? Yeah, dude, it's pumping up. It's a super C19 meme stock, and this is just my opinion, not financial advice. But and Zach, and I'm sure everyone in this in the community will agree. Most of them, at least. It's just a super ape pump and dump meme C19 play that's never gonna happen. Covaxin is not gonna happen. Very unlikely, at least. And apes keep believing, a lot of hopium, and it just keeps getting wrecked. Bad news comes out. It's just a buy the rumor, sell the news, and then it's just a cycle of pump and dump and pump and dump. But over time, it's going to keep going down. And they keep diluting the shares, and it's a mess. It's a mess. That's the short story. As you can tell, I really don't like the stock. Maybe I'm being biased, but we've been covering Ocugen for like almost a year now, and you know, all the way from 18 back to what, $3 now? It's ridiculous. Okay, so we've been covering this stock the whole week. Squeezed on Monday. And it's still trending very high up on StockTwits. So once again, we'll analyze it. So if you guys recall, if you guys have watched the previous shows, I said on Monday when it squeezed, when it was at 170, I said it was coming back down to 84. Got a lot of hate from that, and I didn't think it would pull back this fast, but it did. So today it did dip below 84, and I also said it might come back down to 62 to fill another gap. I wasn't so sure if that was going to happen, but now I'm pretty convinced it will. And I will just say, everyone on StockTwits, the sentiment on StockTwits is still kind of bullish. And at this point, I think it's a bunch of hopium and a lot of bag holders getting emotional. I feel pretty bad. You know, everyone is screaming, it's rigged, it's manipulated, and they kind of have a point. I can see that. But what I'll say to that is, it's all part of the game. Pretty unfortunate. Yes, it's probably rigged somewhat. But at the end of the day, that's just the way it goes. So you got to learn to play the game. Everyone says keep buying, it's going to squeeze. That's very unlikely. It already squeezes over for now at least. And the only way this is going to squeeze is if we have another GME AMC type of event, which is pretty unlikely. So I think at some point this will make a comeback. Maybe in the next few months it's going to pump again. But for now, in the short term, doesn't look great. This is probably going to keep bleeding for a while here. But that's just my opinion, not financial advice. So really no reason to justify this price action today. No specific news or anything. It just seems like ape selling and more shorts coming in here. So let's go ahead and analyze here. And really this isn't any different from what I've been saying all week. So first of all, we do have a gap down here at 1190. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to 1190 to fill this gap. May take a while, but eventually the gaps usually do fill. And then back here at 465, there's another gap down. So another bullish indicator there. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to 465 to fill that gap. That also should take a while. That also is probably going to take a while, but eventually it should fill. This also looks like a big cup and handle. Bottom of the cup being 52 cents. And there are multiple possible tops. It could be 360, 585, 585, 640, 740, $9, 980, 1070, 1180, or even the high of 1519. Although I do think the most realistic top would be 360. So huge cup and handle here. A lot of cups within cups, a lot of upside potential. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Now, this did gap up at 84 cents. That's why I said it was coming back down to 84. That did fill today. But down here, we do have another gap up at 62 cents. So that's a bearish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back down to 62 to fill that gap. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back below 78 cents. So if this holds in the post-market and pre-market on Monday, that would be a bearish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should eventually, that is telling us that the stock will probably continue to bleed on Monday as well. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Check the 1 year chart is total garbage. Yeah, we'll get to that, dude. We're gonna get to Ocugen after INDO. So YOLO, MULN shares. Not financial advice. No. Maybe at 62, sure, but still has more downside to go here. But think you're joking though. Don't see why you would YOLO here. Unless you're a crayon eating ape. That would deserve a Wall Street Bets post. Seriously, I can't see any reason for Bitcoin to bleed that much. What is it? Is it still going down? What is it at 39K now? Yeah, I don't know, dude. Really sucks because it was going up a lot and then just one day gave back all the gains, but that's how it goes. You know, crazy market. All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of... There's a damn dog barking outside. Somebody to go get their dog. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 98 cents and 75 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 98 cents, 136, 170, 189, 229, 257, 272, 291, 322, 341, 360, 379, 398, 409, 424, 439, 458, 496, and then 523. There is resistance above 523, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And to the downside, next levels of support would be 75 cents, 60 cents, and then the low of 52 cents. 52 is the all-time low, so no support below that. So right now at this current price, 79 cents. The channels to the upside, actually, yeah. 75. So right now with this current price, 79 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, great, here comes the siren. We're doing good on the sirens. No sirens all day, and here comes one. Bitcoin dipping under 30K? I sure hope not, but hey, you never know, it's possible. I thought we were bouncing here. Hit like 40, you know, in the mid 40s, but gave that back real fast. So I sure hope not, but hey, it's very possible. 35K seems to be holding pretty strong though there. Some pretty strong support at 35K. So if it breaks that can go pretty bad. Alright, let's try that one more time. So right now at this current price, 79 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 257 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 257. And to the downside, if/when this breaks 75 cents, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 75 cents. RSI is currently at 33, so not quite oversold and undervalued just yet, but quickly approaching that. So this could be a good buying opportunity coming up here, not financial advice. And this did 155 million in volume today, way above average, so the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So, really, my opinion has not changed about this stock. I think longer term, this looks like a pretty good buy. A lot of bullish indicators. Double gap down, huge cup and handle. So eventually, this stock should recover, but it's probably going to take a while. So if you're in it for the long term, well, let's rewind. But in the short term, I do think this still has more downside potential. Again, we have the, and also the low RSI. So for the bullish indicators. But in the short term, this still looks like it has more downside potential. Again, we have the gap up at 62 cents and the aftermarket action here. So those are bearish indicators in the short term for next week. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that just yet. Like I said, I do think this still has more downside to go. Although 79 is a really good entry already, I do think this will pull back down to 62 to fill this gap. So I think this will continue to bleed in the next few trading sessions. I don't think 79. I do think 79 is a pretty good entry. But I do think if you hold off and you're a little patient here, you should be able to get 62 in the relative short term. So I would support going long at 62 and lower. And if it pulls back below 62, then you can average down to 60 and 52. These supports that I mentioned before. And it really shouldn't go lower than that. A lot of support below there. What did I just do? I don't know what I just did here. Okay. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, personally, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. This is already went down very significantly since it squeezed. Should have went short on Monday, back at 170. Here at this point, here at 79 cents, it's a little too late for my liking, so I wouldn't even bother. That being said, this should pull back to 62. So there still appears to be about a 20% downside from here, which is still some pretty good money. So I would say going short here would be a medium risk, medium reward play. Not the safest play going short when the price is so low here. But I do think this should be a relatively easy 20% gain to the downside. So I would support going short at 79 cents and higher. Please just do that at your own risk. And I would say cover as soon as this hits 62, where the gap is, because there really shouldn't be that much more downside potential below that. So yeah, pretty straightforward here, guys. Long term, looks like a good play. May take a while though to recover, but short term, I do think this will continue to bleed down to 62. But short term, I do think there is still more downside potential. The worst is not over just yet. I do think this will pull back down to 62. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. But like I said, this looks like this may be a good buying opportunity coming up here. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is MULN, Mullen Automotive. Wow, is this going to gap now? No, not yet. This hits 60. This hits 70. Yeah. All right, next one, INDO. So here is INDO, Indonesia Energy Corp. This finishes at $40.77 today. That is up 101.83%. So this was the big runner today. Got a lot of mentions on StockTwits, major price action. So we will analyze it. So this has been low-key short squeezing for the past few days, ever since the whole Ukraine situation has been going on. It has, and it's been flying under the radar. I've seen it get some mentions, but today this absolutely exploded. So definitely short squeezing here. No specific news to justify this price action. It just seems like this whole thing is being driven by oil prices going up and social media really playing a part here, squeezing this low float stock. So let's go ahead and analyze here. It actually looks like a triple gap. So this does look like a triple gap up. First gap up at 475. Very small gap, but it does appear like this is a gap. So that's a bearish indicator. That is telling us that the stock may come back down to 475 to fill that gap. Then we have another gap up at 845. Another bearish indicator there. That is telling us that the stock may come back down to 845. And then another gap up at 1510. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock may come back down to 1510. That's really all I see here. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 39, so that's a bearish indicator. If this holds through the my god, stupid honking. If this holds through the post-market and pre-market on Monday, that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock will probably sell off on Monday. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is sitting on the support. On the support of 40.75. So if this goes to the upside, next level of support would be 49. The all-time high, which it hit earlier today. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 25.30, 22.20, 20.15, 17.15, 15.10, 14.50, 13.50, 12.70, 11.65, 10.65, 10.05, 9.25, 8.45, 7.55, 6.60, and then 9.40, and then 5.95. There is support below 5.95, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, $40.77, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this hits 5.95, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this hits 5.95. RSI is currently at 91, so that is extremely overbought, extremely overvalued. So be careful, guys. And this did 66 million in volume today, way above average, low float stock. So the squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So this has been on an incredible run. Went up about 10x in 2 weeks here. So this definitely has been short squeezing. And today was the ultimate run up. So at this point, I really don't think you guys can expect too much more. This already ran up very high, very fast. A lot of bearish indicators here. Triple gap up, high RSI, aftermarket action. Very strong bearish indicators here, very wide channels. So I do think the squeeze is over. I think the shorts have covered. And I think we're going to see some major pullback coming up here in the short term. I may be wrong. Hopefully I'm wrong. But I'm just reading the chart, guys. That's what it says. A lot of bearish indicators. A lot of very strong bearish indicators. No bullish indicators. And no neutral indicators. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. I think that would be straight up FOMO. I think you'd be buying in the relative top, and you're probably going to get burned pretty hard. I think you missed your chance. Squeezes over, and you're probably going to get hurt if you go long here. So I don't think that's a great idea. I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. I would say going long here would be a high risk, low to medium reward play. Doesn't really make too much sense to me. So if you want to go long, please do that at your own risk. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a really excellent play to me. Again, very strong bearish indicators, no bullish indicators, and a lot of downside potential here. These channels are really wide. So if this does go to the downside, this will fall very quickly. And we have a lot of gaps here. I do think this will come back down to 15.10 at least. Very good chance it comes back down to 8 to fill that gap. Very good chance it comes back down to 8.45. And it may possibly even come back to 4.75 to fill the last gap. I think that one is a lot less realistic than 8.45 and 15.10, but possible. But yeah, a lot of bearish indicators, a lot of downside potential. So I think going short here would be an excellent play. It should be an easy 70% downside at least. Possibly even around 90%. So yeah, going short here looks like a low to medium risk, high reward play. Very excellent shorting opportunity here. So I would support going short at $41 and higher. 40.77 and higher. So yeah, looks pretty straightforward here, guys. This definitely short squeezed. I think the squeeze is over. Maybe not, but it really shouldn't have too much more room to go. Really no reason to go long here at this point. That'd be FOMO, and looks like an excellent short play to me. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. But like I said, looks really bearish in the short term. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is INDO, Indonesia Energy. Indonesia Energy Corp. What up, O'Milly?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. CEI Monday? That's what a lot of people have been asking. A few people asked that already in the chat. So I probably will have to do CEI as bonus content after the show. But it looks pretty decent right now. It's up to 80. So I don't know if it's going to squeeze. It certainly doesn't appear like it right now. There's not too many, shorts covering right now. This is holding pretty steady in the aftermarket, pretty standard. So I do think, like, longer term, it probably will keep slowly going up, but I don't expect this to absolutely moon like it did today and the other oil stocks are. Like this other one, IMPP, which I probably have to do also after the show. This one has a good chance, not financial advice, but this one is squeezing right now, and this one may have more room to go on Monday. But yeah, I do think I probably got to make its own video, all this oil stuff. But I do think INDO is done. I think CEI isn't done just yet, but I think it's not gonna squeeze. I think most of the price action was already done today. And this is just my opinion, not financial advice, but according to the aftermarket action, this does not appear like it's going to squeeze on Monday. I think it like gamma squeezed today. But I do think it's not a bad buy. It should keep slowly going up. But it isn't going to absolutely moon. I don't think so. So I hope that answers your question, dude. And thanks for being here. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't. All right, last one I'm going to do is Ocugen. Chelsea Clinton purchased 100K Clover shares. What? Why? That is very odd. She got to know something. Insider information. It's like Pelosi. CEI was a Zach Morris tweet. Well, you know how that goes. That guy is like super pump and dumper. But yeah, Chelsea Clinton buying Clover, that's pretty interesting. Don't know what to make of that. Bullish? I don't know. Pretty interesting there. Yeah, CEI Zach Morris tweet. Not surprised at all. I don't like that guy. SEC needs to come after him. Logic has no place in moves like these. You can't chart it. I mean, you can't to an extent. Yeah, I feel you, dude. When it goes ape, when it's just apes in here, kind of hard to predict. She's on the Clove board of directors? Really? Wow. Nice to be rich, huh? Nice to have influential family. What does she know about healthcare? Kind of sounds like Hunter Biden, you know? Your family's influential. You just get a position for no reason. You get paid for no reason. So maybe they have some insider information and buying the dip here. That's interesting. Been on the board since 2017. You think she does anything? I think it's just like a cash grab for her. Free money. I think I heard that. Yeah. Sounds familiar. Interesting, though. Don't know what to make of that. Alright, last one here, guys. Ocugen. So here is OCGN Ocugen. This finishes at $2.53 today. That is down 23.1%.
And it's gone.
So we haven't talked about Ocugen in a while here, but this did make top 10 on StockTwits today. Major price action. So we will analyze it. So there was a reason as to why the stock went down so much today. We did have some news, so let's check that out. So, shares fell after the company said the U.S. Food and Drug Administration declined, the FDA, declined to issue an emergency use authorization for Covaxin, which is the vaccine. So, bad news there, bad PR. I think a lot of people were hoping that would I think a lot of people Thought that would be a big catalyst if it got approved, and it went the other way. So bad news dropping. Market didn't like it. Ape selling their shares and shorts coming in here. Oh yeah, Zach, you were right on the firm. Before you joined the show, I was running down the watch list, and I was like, damn, Affirm is down. That's been going down a lot. Damn, Zach was right. Too bad I cut it below 40. I mean, you still made some pretty fat tennies there, right? But, yeah, dude, that's been getting wrecked. Her name is listed as Andrew Toy. President and CEO. On the investor relations page, she is big in healthcare. She has a master's degree in public health. Okay, I will just say, and this may be a bit controversial, I have a lot of friends who have public health degrees, and they've all said it's pretty BS. Like, it's not hard to get. But, all right, sure. I'm sure she's very well educated, you know, comes from a very influential family. But I'm just like, why is she on the board there? It's just like, she just got a free job, you know, because she got the plugs. And Clover doesn't really do much healthcare themselves, right? It's just a software to link up healthcare professionals. Isn't that right? Like, they don't actually do much healthcare themselves. I don't know. Pretty interesting, though. All right, so let's go ahead and analyze here, guys. So we do have a triple gap down. First gap down at 1240. That's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to 1240 to fill that gap. We have another gap down at 370. So another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to 370 to fill that gap. And then we have another gap down today at 330. Damn ambulance. We're actually doing pretty decent on the ambulances here today. I think it's going the other way. And we have another gap down here at 330. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to 330 to fill this gap. So I think the gaps at 330 and 370 have a good shot at filling in the short term. That's not too unrealistic. But the gap at 1240 may take a while. But yeah, triple gap down. All bullish indicators. Now this did look like a cup and handle. Looked like it bottomed out at $3. Held some very strong support there. But today, the stock finally broke support. So this still is a cup and handle, although it does look like the bottom is going to be lower. So for right now, the bottom of the cup is 237, the yearly low. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be $5, $5.70, $6.65, $8.05, $8.90, $10.60, 1160 or even the high of 1765. Although I do think the most realistic top would be $5. Not even $5. Yeah, sure, why not? $5. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is sitting on the support of 255, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 280, 305, 335, 355, 375, 390, 410, 440, 475, and we'll stop there. And then $5. Well, and then 530. There is support, there is resistance. There is resistance above 530, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 205, 170, and now we're going back 3 years here. 155, 85 cents, 50 cents, and then 25 cents. So right now at this current price, 253. The channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 335 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 335. But then if/when this hits 410, the channel starts to open up again. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this hits 410. So from 335 to 410, the price action slows down. RSI is currently at 36, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but quickly approaching that. So this could be a good buying opportunity coming up here, not financial advice. And this did 34 million in volume today, which is around average, a little bit less. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So I'm pretty conflicted on this stock here. I will say, technically on the chart, it does look really good. Again, triple gap down, huge cup and handle, low RSI. And the aftermarket action. Oh yeah. And in the aftermarket here, this is up to 257, so that's a bullish indicator for Monday. That is telling us that the stock will probably pump on Monday. Or run to the upside on Monday. But yeah, so very strong bullish indicators in the short and long terms for this stock. No bearish indicators and no neutral indicators. So the chart does look really, really good in the short and long terms. That being said, fundamentally, I don't really like this stock. The whole point of this stock is to bring Covaxin into the United States, into North America, to get approval. And honestly, they've been trying for a year now, haven't been successful, and I just really don't see it happening. The pandemic isn't nearly as serious as it was, and I think the FDA is pretty good with the 3 vaccines we have now. And obviously there's a lot of corruption and stuff going on there with who they approve and who they don't, but that's a whole other issue. Bottom line is, I honestly don't think Covaxin is going to get approved. Just my opinion, not financial advice. Don't hit me, guys. So personally, I would just stay away from the stock. I don't think it's going to happen, but it does look really good on the chart. So if Covaxin does get approved, that'd be very bullish. I just don't see it happening. So you guys can make your own decisions. So you guys can make up your mind. So you guys can make your own opinions on the stock, but that's all I have to say. Technically looks great. Fundamentally doesn't look that great. So this is a meme stock. Invest at your own risk. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, but this could be a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is OCGN Ocugen. Alright guys, so that took a while. 6 o'clock now, so pretty long show, but a lot of people were in here chatting. So yeah, honestly, I'm probably going to have to do some more TA after the show. Probably going to cover CEI and IMPP. Wow, Bitcoin is down 39K now. But let's just finish up here with the Yolos. And we'll get out of here. So let me pull this up. I think most people dip though. Most people usually dip during the TA. That's the boring part. Let's see here. Let's check YouTube. Wow, there's still 6 people and 15 likes. Wow, thank you guys. Really, I didn't expect this many people still to be here. Chat went kind of silent, so I figured everyone left, but no, still a lot of people here and 15 likes. Wow, a lot of likes, so thank you guys. Yeah, really great show. So appreciate everyone. Where's my meme?
I appreciate you. You loyal.
All right. So today, guys, we got 5 Yolos here. 1 meme. SPY YOLO. BKNG YOLO. I don't know what that is. I know what DKNG is. DraftKings. I don't know what BKNG is. Burger King? It's not Burger King, but it kind of seems like Burger King. No idea what this is. There's a lot of text, though. And BITO. That's the Bitcoin ETF. So, actually, there's a lot of gains here. So, a meme, SPY YOLO, and a bunch of gain corn. I don't think there's lost corn today. That's a change. Usually there is. So this shouldn't take too long, guys. Nothing too serious. Let's do it. Still here. Hoping for a Bitcoin bounce. LMAO. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe this weekend. Usually the weekends are good for, for crypto. But yeah, it's at 39K now. That's not good. All right, so this is by 6 Seaweed 9. Russian ruble now worth less than the Robux. Yeah, it is Robux. That's what I was saying before. Was it Roblox or Robux? So yeah, Russian ruble now worth less than Robux video game currency. Roblox is on sale, lowest price ever, and yet every precious Robux of your wife's boyfriend kids is worth more than a ruble. I don't need to explain more. You know what to do. Your wife's boyfriend's kids are probably logged in everywhere anyway. So, yeah, I've never played Roblox, but the kids do love it. All my little cousins play it. I don't know what the big deal is, but, you know, maybe I'm just old. So, yeah, we're not even going to read this, but yeah. Russian ruble now worth less than Robux video game currency. Pretty sad. But yeah, one ruble is worth like 13 Dogecoin now, so it makes sense. So, Dogecoin is actually worth more than legit currency. Never thought we'd see the day. And apparently, Robux is worth more too. And I did kind of say this before, but you guys weren't here before, most of you guys. I know in Venezuela, gold farming RuneScape is a legit job, like one of the highest paying jobs. Because they just gold farm and sell it for dollars, and it's worth a lot of money there. Because their currency is nothing, so. Maybe this is the way for Russians, you know? They gotta start playing video games, start gold farming, start Robux farming, and whatever else farming, video game currencies. Because that's worth than their actual money right now. Pretty crazy, but yeah. The Russian ruble.
And it's gone.
So this is real life. Video game currencies are worth more than Russian currency now. Crazy. Alright, this is by Auden Tarek. Definitely reviewed this guy a couple of times. So, super degen here. We have an SPY YOLO. So, says he bought 28K worth of 0 day till expiration SPY 433 calls. This is within my personal risk tolerance, so it can't go tits up. Can't go tits up. Right. Heard that before. Alright, so yeah, he said it here himself. 28K YOLO. SPY, 600 calls. Holy crap. 433 strike. So, yeah, super FD. Same day expiration. So, I think it finished in the money. Oh my god, it did not finish in it did not finish in the money. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I sure hope he sold. What the actual hell? I hope he sold. Because if he held, this finished below 433. Yeah, it's at 432 now. 431 in the aftermarket, but. Yeah, I hope he sold. I hope he sold. Otherwise, there goes 28K. Can't go tits up, right? So he was actually up 2,800, up 10% earlier. Now he's probably down a lot or everything. So, Auden Tarek, thanks for posting. You are insane, dude, but hey, your personal risk tolerance, sure. But crazy play here. Crazy, super FD, a lot of money, and I sure hope he sold. Oh, edit. In response to the comments, I've made the executive decision to sell. Sold for about 6K gain. Okay, wow. So I said he sold. Good, good. I didn't see that before. So he actually made out like 20% there. Very nice. That could have went really bad, really fast. So I'm glad he hit the sell button. That was insane. He could have lost everything there. Yeah, don't do this, guys. That's pretty insane. He just got lucky, to be honest. So, yeah, Auden Tarek, thanks for posting. You're insane, dude, but, you are a legend on this forum, and I'm glad you hit the sell button, because you would have been pretty screwed there. So, yeah, good luck to you, dude. Alright, what's this one? By Appropriate Donut 3604, BKNG took a dive off a cliff and I grabbed popcorn, 5K to 20K. Okay, so we just got one put here, BKNG, 2,170 strike. And yeah, it looks like this was a 15K YOLO, and right now he's up, not 50, this was a 5K YOLO, and right now he's up 15,420. Nice. Almost 300%. So I have no idea what this is, but Super FD, pretty much lotto tickets, and they printed. So yeah, he says this is the first time his retardation paid off. Was about to buy a call after seeing it slowly fall from 2,730. Almost got caught with a falling knife, but my big brain said to do the opposite, and now I'm the smartest idiot there is. Alright, well yeah, it was a Super FD. Very risky, but it worked out. Don't expect these results, guys. Don't really encourage you guys to do this. This was pretty much lotto tickets. But sometimes you get lucky. I think it was more luck than anything, to be honest. And yeah, fat gains.
Put this money in your savings account.
Yeah, put it away. Don't do this again, dude. The more you do this, eventually it's going to go bad. But I'm glad I worked out here. So, yeah, good stuff. Congrats to you. And good luck to you, dude. Thanks for posting. Alright, there's a lot of text here. But, let's check it out. Not going to read all this stuff. Well, he said he's from 13K to 37K in 1 month. So he's up 200% in a month here. I don't think we're gonna look at all this, but this is a spreadsheet. Yeah, we're not gonna look at all this. But yeah, Super Degen Ape here looks like he's doing a lot of day trading options. So this is very risky. Don't really encourage you guys to do this. But don't know if it's just luck or what, or skill. Probably a little bit of both. But yeah, he ran it up 13K to 37K in a month here, 200%. So very nice. So it says Monday Zoom, Tuesday Salesforce, Wednesday Tesla, Thursday Snowflake, Friday Costco. So good stuff. Very risky, but ran it up here. And I hope it stays up. I hope he stays in the green, because this can go really wrong really fast. But good stuff. So A2 options, thanks for posting. Alright, last one by Broman, 500,000. So here's an update. This guy had BITO puts, which is the Bitcoin ETF. So fake money go down, BITO puts. J Powell is hitting our favorite fake money. Figured this was another good time to short it. I did it again. Check my history on the way to 400 or 500K this week. I swear off options, as this is an insane game from 6K, but I don't know. I'm hard-hearted. Okay. So yeah, this guy has a 350 puts. March 4, so they expired. $27 put, 350 of them. So it looks like a 13K YOLO, and he's up 25K. Wow. Wow. And then looks like he has more here. He went back for more. 200 puts, March 11th. $25 strike. So that was, looks like an 8K YOLO approximately. Maybe a little less. $7,800 YOLO. And right now he's up 3,300 on that. Up 50%. So yeah, cash in on BITO. Bitcoin ETF. I mean, Bitcoin has been going down. So, yep. So the 27 strike, that one finished in the money, and he's an FD for next week, 25 strike, and that's in the money right now. And Bitcoin's going down right now. So, good chance that prints. So maybe you should take the gain. So first of all, congrats on the 27 strikes there. Fat gain, almost 100%. And maybe for this one, you should cut it now. I don't know. That's a lot of money already. But, you know, it's probably going to hold to expiration. Can't blame him, but not a bad idea to take some money off the table. Either way, some fat tendies. So, Broman 500,000. Thanks for posting. Congrats to you, dude. Thanks for the update. Fat tendies. Good stuff, good content, and good luck on your FD next week. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. So, pretty long show here. You know, a lot of stuff to cover. A lot of content. A lot of TA to get to. Honestly, I'll probably have to do some more TA right now. I'm probably going to have to do CEI and IMPP. Didn't expect to, but those are trending right now, so should probably cover those and get some views. But yeah, that's all I got for today, guys. So, good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed. A lot of people in here. Thanks to everyone. A lot of people coming in today. Appreciate everyone. A lot of likes. Above average likes. So I think this was a pretty successful show. So yeah, thank you guys for coming today. Thank you guys for staying to the end. And that's all I got. So if you guys have anything else, put them in the chat right now. Questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything, put them in. Otherwise, we'll get out of here. I like playing Bitto. Congrats to him. Yeah, pretty ballsy shorting, you know, crypto. I don't really encourage that, but worked out there. Alright, how many? So still 5 people and 16 likes, so. Alright, the chat went silent, but there's still 5 people. But yeah, a lot of likes, 16 likes. Appreciate everyone. So that's all I got, guys. So anything else? Going once? Going twice? Alright, I think that's it. So appreciate everyone. Have a great weekend, everybody. See you guys next week. And I'm going to work on this, you know, this other content right now and pump out these videos. Got to get these views. Should be some pretty good views this weekend. All right, let's do it, guys. Let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone. Damn motorcycle. Wait for the motorcycle to pass. All right. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.